Hi, I'm Marla Baggetta. I invite you to join me and my students on an extraordinary journey as we proudly enter our 8th year of monthly pastel painting lessons online. I am so thrilled to share this new chapter with you. A number of this year's lessons pieces have won awards, including our Blue Heron, which took Best in Show, and we're taking our whole production on the road for experiences we've never had together. You'll be amazed, and I'm certain you'll agree, this is the year you will not want to miss. And this year, our focus is sharper than ever. Year 8 is all about going out, going big, and finishing up, getting out of the studio and into the world for inspiration, building the confidence to paint big and bold, and carrying a painting all the way through to a finished, gallery-ready statement. Let me show you what each one of these means. First, going out. And the feature that I'm most excited about, our brand new Outside the Studio. This year, I'm taking you with me beyond the studio walls for experiences we've never shared before. We'll go behind the scenes at Art Elements Gallery, where my new show is hanging. We'll walk through world-class museums together, places like the Getty, the Norton Simon, and the Huntington, and I'll share my own commentary as we go. What I'm seeing, what's working, and what we can learn from the masters. You'll sit in as I meet with my framers and interview them about how they bring a finished painting to life. You'll explore the art scene in Hawaii with me, get a first-hand experience of my workshop in Italy, go behind the scenes at the IAPS convention, and much more. This is the unvarnished life of a working artist, and I can't wait to share it with you. And then there's everything we'll paint together, 12 immersive monthly themes, each one designed to stretch your skills and deepen your artistic voice. We'll begin in the wetlands, where atmosphere and restraint teach us what emerges when form dissolves into air. We'll step inside inhabited spaces and discover how rooms become psychological portraits, no figures required. We'll master the language of value, the very foundation that makes every palette sing. Then chase the fleeting brilliance of autumn light. You'll gain confidence integrating the human form, bring animals to life with presence and energy, and find quiet meaning in the everyday altar of ordinary objects. We'll explore color as structure, not decoration, but the very architecture of a painting. Then comes going big, a full month devoted to painting large, with everything you need to work at scale with confidence. We'll paint the mystery of nocturnes after dark and celebrate botanical moments. And then we'll close the year with finishing up, moving from sketch to statement and taking your work all the way from idea to gallery-ready presentation. Along the way, you'll find the details that make a real difference. By popular demand, we're now showing you every single color throughout each demonstration. An on-screen box displays exactly which pastels I'm using as I reach for them, so no more pausing and squinting at the screen trying to guess. You'll get our gorgeous new lesson index, more than 300 paintings from all our years together in one beautiful document. Print it for inspiration or click straight through to any lesson in the digital version. And my good friend Tony Elaine returns with his monthly lesson feature, bringing his bold, energetic approach to every demonstration. Our beloved ArtSpeak feature returns this year with a twist, featuring our own students. You'll hear candid conversations with members of our community about their journeys, their breakthroughs, and their growth as painters. Because after 8 years, some of the most inspiring artists I know are right here among us, and their stories might just be the spark that transforms your own. And everything you'd expect is here every single month. 2 live lessons, an in-depth super stream, and a 2-hour critique session with positive, actionable feedback, plus full step-by-step demonstrations, incredibly beautiful and educated illustrated study guides, learning pathways, mileage exercises, exclusive workshop discounts, and our warm members-only community. When you subscribe, you don't just get this extraordinary new year, you get our entire library from years 1 through 7. Hundreds of hours of lessons, all for the same affordable price, with flexible payment options and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? This is the year we go out, we go big, we finish strong, together on the road, at the easel, for experiences we've never had before. Start your artistic journey today, and let's make year 8 one you'll never forget.